Welcome back to Amethyst Adventures. I'm going to jump right in here and start clearing my bar top, and then I'm going to style it for the holiday season. If you're new here, I'd like to welcome you to the channel for the very first time. My name is Courtney and I enjoy decorating, DIYs, thrift flips, shopping hauls, and more. If you enjoy that type of content, you have reached the right channel. Today I'm co-hosting 'Tis the Season to Sparkle, the clothes collab hosted by the Home Decor Luxe Club. Links to all of our channels as well as the playlist will be in my description box below. So if you want to see how this turns out, just keep on watching.
Dashing through the snow in a one-horse open sleigh, o'er the fields we go, laughing all the way. Bells on bobtail ring, making spirits bright. What fun it is to ride and sing a sleighing song tonight. Oh, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Hey, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. A day or two ago, I thought I'd take a ride, and soon Miss Fanny Bright was seated by my side. The horse was lean and lame, misfortune seemed his lot. He got into a drifted bank and then we got upset. Oh, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Hey, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh.
I hope you enjoyed today's video and that it gave you inspiration or some new ideas. Let me know what you think in those comments. And if you enjoyed today's video, please give me a big thumbs up. And consider joining the Amethyst Adventures family. It's free, it's quick, and honey, it's easy. Just go ahead and click on that red subscribe button and hit that notification bell so that you will know when I upload a brand new video. And tune in next Saturday at 6 p.m. for the Home Decor Luxe Club's 'Tis the Season to Sparkle collab. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time. Oh, and keep watching till the end for the nighttime view.